I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 4 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something related to religious or secular holiday. I've got the cross, and I've also got this of Dr. Martin Luther King. Ledger paper, a game piece or puzzle piece. I've got this Joker from a playing card. Something you find in a garage. I've got this bicycle. A pair of something. I've got these hands. And the bonus is a zigzag pattern. I've got this on my background, and I've got this washi tape, and I just got this to decorate with. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, it has been very, very cold around here. I'm sure it's been that way a lot of places, but we here in Mississippi just are not used to this. It was 14 degrees when we got up this morning. I have no idea exactly what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to play around with everything until I see what I get. I've got, that's more of a secular, and I always think of the cross at Easter and at Christmas because the cross is what's important. Okay, I've always had these hands for a while and I really love them. I may have to trim it down just a tad. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm trying to keep them to one page. I don't know if that'll be possible or not. Like that. Hands. I think they should be going up. I'm going to trim that, since it's mostly black anyway, off the bottom. Let's see if I can raise that up and add these. I'll tell you what, I'm going to cut them out. But I have been a little lazy the last few days. Just hadn't felt like doing too much. I think it's the weather. But we're supposed to be up in the 60s again. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Let me yeah, I like that. Okay, and now all I have to do, see, I'll probably tuck some more of this ledger paper in somewhere. Something kind of like that. Now I'm on the last season of the WPC 56. And it's really good. I was very kind of disappointed though that the main lady wasn't on there, but I do like the new one as well. She's got spunk. Okay, playing piece. So let's kind of put that right there. And I think that's how I'm just going to do it. This one's just going to be pretty much just an outright collage, nothing fancy about it. Okay. Yeah, but it's really good. I like the characters, and it's really good. Now my husband and I, my friend Barbie at Nellie and Ruth Designs had mentioned The Killing on Acorn to watch, and my husband and I watched the first episode. I liked it. My husband not so much. So when I get through with WPC, I'm going to continue watching it because that's my kind of show. I like a good thriller. But we are watching Harrow, and that is really good. It's got the guy that played Reed Richards in the Fantastic Four, the first movie that came out. And I didn't realize he was Australian, but it's from an Australian company, and I really like it. It's had me hooked. So I highly recommend that. And let's see, like I said, I finished my Anne Fraser book. I started out on just another little simple free book I got on my Kindle, but I couldn't continue on it. It was just, I don't know, it's just not my kind. I like a little romance, but I don't like raunchy. Raunchy for the sake of being raunchy, that's not my cup of tea. So I've got to find another one. I was just wanting some little simple quick read, and that wasn't it. I want to get the next Lisa Gardner, and I want to get the next Jana DeLeon books, but I'm just going to have to, we're recouping from Christmas and tax season time, so. Alrighty. That. And I'm going to put that down. I'm not even bothering to ink anything. And I think that's okay. Alright, now I'm just going to add some washi tape around. You really can't see the zigzag behind all my stuff, but this will work too. And I'm going to put some on it over here as well, just to decorate it up a little bit. Okay. Put that right there. And this one I just thought was pretty, and it's got pink and green like my paper and ledger. So I've enjoyed this pretty washi tape. Makes me happy. Oh, where else can I put some of this? Good. Tear it a little. Maybe add it right there and right there. Oh, maybe not there since I've already got it on that card. But I could add it right there. Alright, now let's see what else I can put on here. Maybe, I wonder, maybe I could stamp got here. Alright, I've got this text stamp, and I think I'm just going to use Forest Moss and just kind of go around here. I really need my my I like that. Adds a little something to it. Now I'm going to add some splatters. I'm just going to do some black ones this time. All right. Well, I'm happy with that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW4 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all have a great, wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.